Alright guys, so I posted every day for 60 days on YouTube, long form, okay? Only long form content. I did not post any shorts on the channel. And I've made another video where I showed you what happened after 30 days of me posting long form content or publishing long form content on the channel. And here in this video I'm going to show you what happened after 60 days, and I'm going to show you the screen in just a second, the analytics, the dashboard, everything in the back end of my channel, because something interesting happened after 60 days. And if you haven't watched my other videos, you probably don't expect that. Alright, so after 2 months, after 60 days, let's see what we got. Let's go in analytics and see what we got. So it will be 12 is the month. I think it's easier if I just 05. I have an external keyboard. I don't know where I have this slash on it. 24 till let's see. Yeah, second is good. 05 slash 2025. Let's see. Alright, so in the first 30 months, if you watch the other video, we had about 18,000 views, 650 watch time hours, or like watch time, and we had plus 209 subscribers. Now, after 2 months, we got over 68,000 views, 3.4 thousand watch time hours, and plus 665 subscribers. All right. Now, I just want to say this. What does this tell you? You cannot make some like predictions on YouTube and think, okay, if I had like 18,000 views last month, publishing every day, then next month I will have another 18,000 views. If I gain 200 subscribers next month, I will gain 200 subscribers as well. It doesn't work like that. If you have a video or two that take off and you are blessed by the YouTube gods, you know, your whole channel will kind of blow up, and it will be because of 1 or 2 videos. So just want to say, guys, if you lose motivation because you see your numbers are low, don't. And I know it seems like it's easy for me to say. It's not necessarily easy for me to say, because I wanted to, like, I lost motivation as well, but I just kept on going. And then suddenly I wake up one morning, or I'm checking YouTube one day, and I have a lot of views to 1 or 2 videos. So what is this? It's like I gained, like, it doubled, right? It doubled, not it doubled, it tripled in the number of views and number of subscribers that I got. And check this out, guys. 3.4 thousand watch hours, okay, and 665 subscribers. You know why this is important? Is because YouTube allows you to apply for their partnership program after you get 3,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, and after you have at least 500 subscribers on the channel. That does not mean you're going to get paid by YouTube yet, because for that you need 4,000 watch hours and 600 and over 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers. But with this, you can actually do a few things. One of the things is like super thanks and super chat. I think that's how they called. And basically it's just you can accept donations, and people can donate to you with a click of a button. All right. And another thing is you can link your shop. If you have merch or if you have anything that you're selling, you can link it in all of your videos and in your channel description, and like a few more things that you can do. All right. And I haven't actually, just yesterday I applied for this thing. I already have way above 3,000 watch hours, and way above 500 people that subscribe to the channel. But in fact, you can see here is 961 people that subscribed. But I just did not have the time, honestly and quite frankly, to apply for this. I did. It was a little bit of a struggle. Maybe I'm gonna share a video about that as well. But anyways, let's go in and see how the videos have performed and which have been the most or the best performing videos rather. All right. So I made a video on 9th of January, and this has been blowing up. It was my $200 per month apartment in Pattaya, Thailand, and I made it last day before I had to leave. Like the next day I had to leave the place, or I did it like a couple of days before or something like that. And I thought, let me make a tour of the apartment. And it blew up. I did not expect it. I knew the title was strong, was powerful, but I did not expect it to blow up like this. But it did. So the majority of my views, as you can see here, in that period of time, over 20,000 views have come from this video. Then these ones you have seen. This one you have seen in the other video. The 30 days, what happened after 30 days of publishing every day on YouTube. I also made this video. So I was invited to this wedding here in Malaysia by someone. I recorded videos from the wedding. I did not think that I'm gonna post anything on YouTube. I recorded them for family and friends, just to send it to them. And then I thought, wow, well, this experience has been amazing for me. Let me share it with you guys as well. So I did. And this video got me almost 4,000 views. And I published it in January 28th. So in just like 1 week, I got almost a little over 1 week, almost 4,000 views. And I have this one. I'm leaving Thailand after less than 3 months. What went wrong? I also had this one. You will 100% miss this as an American or European in Malaysia. What does a $12 per night Airbnb look like in Thailand? One thing that impressed me in Malaysia: how much money does a 34-year-old local Thai makes and spends in Pattaya, Thailand? And this have been recorded with my friend Max. It was an interview. Max is Thai. So, but what you can see from all these is that most of these videos have numbers inside. Okay, $200, $87, less than 3 months, 100%, $12, 9 to 5 job at 31, one thing that impressed me, money, 34-year-old, eating like a king, $3.87 per day. Most of those videos have numbers, and this should be, this is just statistics and data. And whenever you can, guys, just as I said in the other video, if you are doing YouTube videos, whenever you can, include numbers in your titles. It helps. It helps. Numbers make the titles more interesting. It makes them more defined, and people want to click on them. Okay. Now this one does not have any numbers in the title, but it's just an interesting title, you know. I was randomly, okay, because that's the truth, I was randomly invited to this wedding, like the night before the wedding, in Malaysia, and said yes. All right. And then I also have a, I would say, interesting thumbnail, you know, especially for Westerners, you know, people from America, USA, Canada, UK, you know, or even Australia, New Zealand, these countries, because and people from my country and from Europe in general as well, because I mean, this is different, right? This is something different that you might not find in these countries, or you might not see. So it's like, oh, this is really interesting. Well, the title is interesting, so let me click on it. So that's that. But yeah, as you can see, and people are interested about money, you know. If you talk about work online, you know, how much an apartment costs is $200. Yeah, people are interested about that. So titles are really important, and whenever you can include numbers in the titles, as this one as well, $12 per night, then do it. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope the video was, or served as an inspiration, and also as information. See you in the next video.